Guys, today I got another video for you guys. Today I'll be changing the strut on this 203 Avalon. So you guys, I just want to show you guys how to do it. Just follow me on how to do this job. It's super easy. There are several bolts you're gonna be taking out. You got one bolt right here. This got to come out. You got this bolts is got to come out, and also there are two bolts down here. They have to come out. So guys, just follow me. Take it out. So what I'm gonna do, like this one, the bottom one, you can just pull that one up and it's gonna come out because there's no bolt holding them down. So when you pull it up, that just clips holding them in place. Like these are the clips. So when you take the seat out, the strut, there's a bolt right here that we're gonna be taking out all as well. So that's how you'll be able to get access to actually release the old struts and put a new one in there. So guys, I got everything ready, so I'll put my clamps to put the spring down. All I have to do just now is just to take this whole thing and try to fit it in there. So you might need some help to put a bolt in there, but if you don't have nobody to help you, you can probably do it yourself as well. So right now, I gotta make sure I got everything straight, so I just gotta take it and try to put it in there. As y'all can see, the job is done. That's the new strut. So I put a new strut on it. So that's how you do the new strut. So this, you gotta cover it back. So that's how you replace the new strut. You can see, that's the old one. I got the second one somewhere here too. That's the second one. So that's how you change. The strut. So guys, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Please kindly subscribe, guys. Please kindly subscribe. That's how I change the strut on the 203 Avalon. Please kindly subscribe there, and I'll see you in the next one.